Welcome to Rokas Fishing. Here we are again by the river. The beautiful Neris with a factory on the other side. I have a good feeling since today the sky is quite gray. You never know what's gonna happen. That's fishing. Sometimes you expect a lot, you get nothing. Sometimes you expect nothing, you get a lot. So some bait that I made myself. And we're only using worms because other baits have failed a couple of times before. So yeah, wish me luck, and I'm gonna set up and suck my pee-pee. Let the doing nothing commence. I'ma sit and sleep. The fish are jumping, they're mocking me. I'm gonna leave the next cabin or when it's a lot later. Some energy to come back home on my bicycle. Gonna eat a cheeky little chocolate now. Time to get fat. I hope I don't get diarrhea. Kinda feels like I should be either throwing the rod further or closer to the shore. I don't know. I need to take a piss. My bait is a little bit too wet. It shouldn't be that wet. It's like a black woman's puss. Is that a hate crime? Sorry, it wasn't supposed to be the joke. I love my black wheat. Look, a car. What if the car just fell into the river? I'd just end up screaming from the shore and farting like this. I just can't stop peeing. Shout out to all the chronic peers. This is shit. My optimism is slowly turning into fuck my ass. Give me a bream that's this big. World record, please. Every bird is like squeaking and shit. They're trying to warn against the predator bird. All the little ducklings are gonna be stolen and eaten bit by bit, torn to pieces. That's not good. When you think about it, the nature is very cruel, right? And we don't like that. Not one bit. So many of them. Look at them. Aww. Look at all those little creatures. Aww. They're afraid of the mean big bird. So basically, by being here, I saved these ducklings. Cute little thingies. Oh, they're afraid of me. I'm sorry. Go to the mama duck. Fuck. That's a fish. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? That was fucking strong. My hands hurt. My right hand hurts. Okay, so in Lithuanian language, this is lynas. It's allowed from 25 centimeters to take home. Dude, what the fuck? Dude, it's barely fucking flipping. Oh, that's far above that. Wait, can you shoot this? Yeah, it's like 35 centimeters. Okay, the rods are back in place. I still can't believe this shit just happened. It's been like forever since I ever caught a good fish. I measured its weight, it's around 1 kilo. So 4 more of those and I'll have to go home. If the rod is bouncing up and down, just get the fish. Otherwise, don't bother. I will probably change the spot if this continues. What's going on with this rod? There's some fish there. What the fuck? I'm not changing spots yet. That's what we came here for. It even smells bad. Why do you smell so bad? Trick or treat, smell my feet, gotta get the bike back. It's my little mousy friend. Hello. The fish biting is very awful today. The biting is very careful. The fish are very scared of being caught. They're scared of cock. So yeah, kinda expected a lot more from the fishing today. I was very enthusiastic, when I started, and now it's like, oh, I actually suck at fishing. Who would have thought? I love fish. My booty hole is wet. My booty hole. Wait, there's a slug on my rod. Disgusting. Can I see the manager? These fly larvae are pumped out like dicks. They're ready to be sucked by fish, but they're not sucked. Well, I'm running out of battery. So I will just call it a day, I guess. I'm out of food, I'm out of water, I'm out of bait, like that attracts the fish, the feeder bait, and I've got some fly larvae, that's all I have left. Unexpected turn of events. I was expecting something a lot better, I was expecting, more fish. It's fishing, you never know what's gonna happen. So thanks for watching, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.